Welcome to Fellas. Here is where we explore the latest and greatest in home security technology. We delve into a range of innovative solutions, from spotter perimeter surveillance radars that provide real-time monitoring of your property to Sunflower Labs drone-based surveillance systems. We'll discuss smart electric fences, biometric locks, and high-tech alarm systems that integrate with your smartphone. We'll also cover smart cameras, doorbell cameras, smart door locks, and window sensors. Plus, we'll shed light on smart lighting systems, security drones, glass break sensors, and the essential smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Join us as we navigate the world of home security, helping you create a safer living environment. Let's get started. 13 Spotter Perimeter Surveillance Radars. Spotter Perimeter Surveillance Radars are advanced security devices designed to protect your property's perimeter. They use radar technology to detect movement, providing a reliable method for identifying potential intruders before they reach your home. These radars can cover large areas, making them ideal for properties with extensive grounds. They can operate in various weather conditions and even during the night, ensuring round-the-clock security. The system alerts homeowners of any detected movement, allowing them to take immediate action. Spotter Perimeter Surveillance Radars offer a proactive approach to home security, enhancing peace of mind for homeowners. 12 Sunflower Labs. Sunflower Labs is a cutting-edge home security solution that uses smart outdoor sensors to detect any unusual activity around your home. These sensors, disguised as garden lights, use artificial intelligence to differentiate between normal and suspicious movements. When an anomaly is detected, the system sends an alert to the homeowner's smartphone. Additionally, Sunflower Labs includes an autonomous drone that can be deployed to investigate the disturbance further, providing real-time video feed. This comprehensive security system not only deters potential intruders, but also provides homeowners with peace of mind, knowing their property is well protected. 11 Smart Electric Fences. Smart electric fences are a modern take on traditional home security measures. These fences are equipped with sensors that can detect any attempt to breach the perimeter of your property. When an intrusion is detected, the system sends an immediate alert to the homeowner, allowing for quick action. The fences are designed to be robust and intimidating, deterring potential intruders with their appearance alone. They can be customized to fit the size and shape of your property, providing comprehensive coverage. Smart electric fences offer a strong, visible deterrent, enhancing the security of your home. 10 Biometric Locks. Certainly. Biometric locks are cutting-edge security devices that revolutionize access control. Utilizing unique physical traits like fingerprints or retinal patterns, they grant or deny entry. These locks offer unparalleled security, convenience, no more keys or codes, customizable access permissions, audit trails, and seamless integration with smart home systems. In summary, biometric locks combine security, convenience, and sophistication, a futuristic solution for safeguarding your home. 9. High-tech alarm systems. High-tech alarm systems have transformed home security, offering advanced features and seamless integration. Among the top contenders, the Ring Alarm Pro stands out. This DIY system boasts compatibility with various security accessories, a built-in Wi-Fi 6 router, and affordable professional monitoring. With 180 days of video storage, cellular backup, and customizable alerts, it provides peace of mind. Additionally, consider factors like security cameras, add-on sensors for carbon monoxide, water, and smoke detection, and local regulations when choosing your ideal system. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or seeking reliable protection, high-tech alarms redefine safety at home. 8 Smart Cameras. Smart cameras equipped with high-resolution sensors, motion detection, and night vision capabilities are essential for modern home security. These advanced devices provide crystal-clear video footage, even in low-light conditions. When motion is detected, they automatically start recording, alerting homeowners to potential threats. Night vision ensures round-the-clock surveillance, allowing you to monitor your property effectively. Some top contenders include the Nest Cam, which combines affordability with facial recognition, and the Arlo Ultra 2, known for its 4K resolution and geofencing features. Whether you're safeguarding your home or monitoring your surroundings, smart cameras offer peace of mind. 7 doorbell cameras. Doorbell cameras serve as vigilant sentinels for your home's entrance. These compact devices combine convenience and security, allowing you to monitor visitors, deliveries, and unexpected guests right from your smartphone. When someone approaches your doorstep, the camera activates, capturing high-definition video footage. Whether it's a friendly neighbor, a package delivery, or a potential intruder, you'll receive real-time alerts. Some popular models include the Ring Video Doorbell, which offers two-way communication, and the Nest Hello, known for its crisp video quality and facial recognition capabilities. With doorbell cameras, you're always in the know, even when you're away. 6 smart door locks. Smart door locks are a significant advancement in home security technology. They allow homeowners to control access to their homes remotely using a smartphone or other device. This means you can lock or unlock your doors from anywhere at any time, providing convenience and peace of mind. Additionally, smart door locks can send notifications when doors are unlocked, offering real-time updates on who is entering your home. Some models even support biometric identification, such as fingerprint recognition, for added security. By integrating smart door locks into your home security system, you can enhance safety and control in your living space. 5 window sensors. Window sensors are a crucial part of a comprehensive home security system. They are designed to detect any attempts to open or break windows, providing an immediate alert to homeowners and security services. These sensors work by creating a circuit between 2 parts, which is broken when the window is opened or shattered. This triggers an alarm, notifying the homeowner of a potential intrusion. Some advanced models can even differentiate between different types of glass breakage sounds. By installing window sensors, homeowners can enhance their home security and gain peace of mind, knowing their property is better protected. 4 smart lighting. Smart lighting is an innovative technology that enhances home security and energy efficiency. It allows homeowners to automate their lighting systems, simulating presence even when they're away. This can deter potential intruders who might be discouraged by signs of activity. Smart lighting systems can be controlled remotely via smartphone apps, enabling you to switch lights on or off, dim them, or even change their color based on your preferences. Some systems can also be programmed to follow a schedule or respond to triggers like sunset or sunrise. By integrating smart lighting into your home, you can improve security while also creating a more comfortable and energy-efficient living environment. 3 security drones. Security drones are an emerging technology in the field of home security. These devices can be deployed for aerial surveillance, providing a bird's eye view of your property. They are equipped with high-resolution cameras and often feature night vision capabilities, enabling them to capture clear footage regardless of the time of day. Some advanced models can even be programmed to follow specific flight paths or respond to motion sensor triggers. By offering real-time video feeds and the ability to cover large areas, security drones can significantly enhance your home security system, providing an additional layer of protection and peace of mind. 2 glass break sensors. Glass break sensors are an essential component of a robust home security system. They work by detecting the specific frequency of glass breaking, instantly triggering an alarm when this sound is identified. This immediate response can deter potential intruders and alert homeowners and security services to a possible breach. Some sensors are sophisticated enough to distinguish between different types of glass and other similar sounds, reducing the likelihood of false alarms. By installing glass break sensors, you can add an extra layer of security to your home, ensuring that every potential entry point, including windows and glass doors, is adequately protected. 1 smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are vital for maintaining a safe home environment. These devices monitor the air in your home for the presence of smoke or carbon monoxide, a deadly odorless gas. If either is detected, the device will sound an alarm, providing an early warning that can save lives. Some advanced models can even send alerts to your smartphone, ensuring you're informed of any danger, whether you're at home or away. Regular testing and maintenance of these detectors are crucial to ensure they are working correctly. By installing smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, you can protect your family from potential fire hazards and carbon monoxide poisoning. Thanks for watching this video.